Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer contacts from iCloud to Gmail. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer contacts from iCloud to Gmail, start by opening a web browser on your computer. Navigate to the iCloud website at www.icloud.com. Log in with your Apple ID and password. Once logged in, click on the contacts icon to access your iCloud contacts. Select all contacts by pressing Ctrl+Up on Windows or Command+Up on Mac. Click the gear icon in the lower left corner. Choose Export vCard from the drop-down menu. This will download a .vcf file containing your contacts. Next, open a new tab in your browser and go to the Gmail website at www.gmail.com. Log in to your Gmail account. In the top right corner, click on the Google Apps icon. Select Contacts from the drop-down menu. In the Contacts dashboard, look for the Import option on the left sidebar. Click on Import. A window will pop up prompting you to select a file. Click Select File, then navigate to the .vcf file you downloaded from iCloud. Select the file and click Open. Finally, click on the Import button to transfer your contacts. Once the import is complete, your iCloud contacts should now be available in your Gmail account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.